Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send high quality HD videos and photos on WhatsApp. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends. If you ever wondered how to share your memories without losing quality, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Firstly, we have to open our WhatsApp and start a chat with the person we want to send the photos to. We can also do this in a group chat if you are sharing with multiple people. Use the document option instead of gallery icon. Tap on the paper click icon and select the document. This is the key to maintaining the quality of your photos. Go through the files and select the photo you want to send by sending it as a document. WhatsApp won't compress the image and it will retain its original quality, as you can see. After downloading it, we can open it in our gallery or Google Photos anywhere, and you will see it's in the original quality. It is the one way of how to send HD photos and videos on WhatsApp. Now we will discuss about the second way. Simply we have to click the gallery icon and then we have to choose the video we want to send to our friend. Here is a video I want to send to my friend in HD quality. As you can see, it's a beach video, and on upper side there is a HD option. We have to click it and then we have to set the quality of our video or the picture on HD quality. As you can see, video set to the HD quality. Now we can send it to our friends. Now it will be sent to our friend in HD quality without losing its quality. And as this video, you can send your pictures also. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Also hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.